I'm Sach, and it's time for Friday Fun Day. I've got my Pamper Me headband on, and I've got something fun over here I'm going to show you in just a second. But what we're doing today for Friday Fun Day is I'm going to show you how you can make a coffee and vanilla sugar scrub for your face and one for your body that you can use to help you relax. And it has lots of good reasons to use these. Okay, so granulated sugar is one of the most natural ingredients for exfoliating the skin. There's sugar in there. Coffee grounds, grind them finely if you can. They are perfect to the face and body because it clears pores, rids dry skin and dead skin cells. Also helps reducing swelling and inflammation for acne scars or other scarring. I have my own coffee grinder. It's just a little one, and so I ground mine up really fine. But most coffees are ground pretty fine, and they'll do just fine. But if you have a coffee grinder, go ahead and grind it up just a little bit more. It'll just make it easier to use. And of course, the last ingredient is coconut oil. Make sure you get an organic one because coconut oil is perfect for a moisturizer and cleanser, and it has natural antibiotic properties and hydrates our skin. The last ingredient is vanilla, and vanilla goes well with the smells of coffee, and that's why I chose vanilla. But make sure it's real vanilla, and you don't have to use real vanilla. You can use any of the essential oils for fragrance, just whatever you prefer. Just remember, coffee has a little bit of a smell, so it's got to go good with the smell of coffee, okay? All right, let's head over to the kitchen. So we're in the kitchen, and I'm going to show you how to make a super simple recipe of a coffee, vanilla, coconut oil, sugar scrub. It's very simple. The ingredients are a half a cup of granulated sugar, a fourth of a cup of coffee grounds. I have a grinder here, and so I've ground my coffee up nice and fine. But you need a half a cup of coffee grounds. You need a fourth of a cup of your coconut oil for the face scrub, and a half a cup of your coconut oil for the body scrub. And then the last thing you're going to need for ingredients is vanilla, and you're going to need 1 teaspoon of real vanilla. You'll need a container that you can mix in and put a lid on to seal it because we're using sugar. We don't want ants in our scrubs. Okay, you need something to mix with, and I also have a fork that we're going to use to mix that with. All right, so let's turn the camera around so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So here is the face scrub that I made with the coffee, granulated sugar, vanilla, and coconut oil. It has the consistency of sand. And this is the face scrub. Now for the demonstration, we're going to do the body scrub. It's done exactly the same. The only difference is you're using more of the coconut oil than in the face scrub, all right? So you're going to need a container to put your things in. And I've already got everything measured out here, but I'm gonna follow my recipe here just so I know what I'm doing. All right, so for the body scrub, you're going to need a half a cup of sugar. A lot of people like to use brown sugar. I prefer white sugar. I think brown sugar is just a little bit too sticky, and I don't like the way it leaves my skin feeling. But you can try brown sugar. It's the same amount if you prefer. So a half a cup of granulated sugar. Then we're going to add a fourth of a cup of coffee grounds, and I've already got my coffee grounds here all ready to go. I've ground them up finely. We're just going to dump those in there. And I have this is a spatula that's used for spreading frosting, but I like to mix these in good with this. I think it works really well. So I'm just going to take a couple minutes and mix in the sugar and the coffee until it's evenly mixed. It looks pretty evenly mixed to me. I pulled out a fork because I think that helps with the mixing process, and we're going to need this when we add the coconut oil anyway. All right, so I've mixed my coffee grounds and my granulated sugar. The next thing we're going to do is add the coconut oil. And so I'm just going to scoop that whole thing in there. And remember, for the face, you only need 1/4 cup of coconut oil. But for the body scrub, you need 1/2 cup. All right, put that in the sink there. And I'm just going to put my scraper in the sink as well. And I'm going to use my fork to mix this in. And you're going to mix this. It's still going to look like a little bit like sand from the beach, but it's going to be a little bit wetter than the face scrub. And I'm just going to keep mixing until all of the coconut oil is mixed thoroughly into my sugar and coffee mixture. I've incorporated my coconut oil into my body butter. I want to show you, or body scrub actually. I want to show you the difference. This is the face scrub. It really is the consistency of wet beach sand. It's a little bit looser. And it also is a little bit darker because we put a little bit more cream, our coconut oil, in the body one. See? And it's a little bit thicker and creamier. And the truth is, it's up to you how much coconut oil you really want to add to your mixture. I like this mix, and I think it works great. Okay, and so the last thing we're going to do is take our vanilla. And the vanilla is really just for fragrance, and the smell of coffee and vanilla go well together. Just a teaspoon, and we'll mix that in. And this is that good vanilla that my husband gets from Mexico. I don't know if you've ever tried this. And you can find this in a lot of Mexican stores as well. They have it in the dark and in the light, and I love both of them. Makes the best brownies and sugar cookies you've ever made. Anyway, we're going to incorporate that vanilla scent. You can use any scent that you want to. Any of your oils will work just fine. This is just to give you a nice aroma. The smell of coffee and vanilla are perfect together. So now we're just going to seal them with their lids. Make sure they're sealed tightly. We don't want any ants in our face or body scrubs. No ants. So the last thing I wanted to tell you about are these little square washcloths. I designed this pattern, I think, back in 2017 or 2015. I can't remember exactly. It is on YouTube. It is on Ravelry. It's just a free little pattern. And it's the perfect size for exfoliating your face and your body, because you can put that right on there. Let me show you in the other camera. You can put that right on there. It'll get in those little crevices of your washcloth, and then you can wash with it, clean your face, clean your body, relax, soak in a bubble bath, and have a great Pamper Me or Pamper Us self-care time. Wasn't that super fun? I hope that you'll make these and use them. This one is the facial one. It's a little bit sandier. You can see that. Great for exfoliating that facial skin. Now this one is the body butter. It's a little bit thicker, but still has exfoliating properties, of course, and all those things I told you about at the beginning of the video that is good for your skin. See how much creamier it is? The only difference, of course, is that we use 1/2 cup of coconut oil opposed to 1/4 cup in the face or cleanser or the face scrub. So the sugar scrub for the face, sugar scrub for the body, coconut, vanilla, sugar scrubs. So go make you some little washcloths with your leftover cottons. It takes very little. Whip you up some face scrub and some body scrub and wash all that stress and tenseness away from your face and your body. And don't forget to wear your headband so you don't get that face scrub in your hair. See you next Friday for Friday Fun Day.